Hey there, my name is Jerome Stewart, and I am going to be teaching a class in Vision Board Tarot, taking the major arcana and some of the minor arcana and turning them into like motivational posters for us. Like, I've always wanted to do giant size tarot cards that I can hang up on a wall to kind of embody what I want to be, you know? How many times have you seen a tarot card that you identify with a lot? And you really want to find a way to make that personal, you know? That's what this class is going to be about. We're going to take a different tarot card every 2 weeks, and we're going to turn that into sort of a motivational board or a way to see that card as you. Yeah. So this is me in my art studio. It's a little corner of a garage. It's a big garage though, so yeah, it's good. This class is open to 8 people. It's because all we can fit in the room. I would love to do 20 people doing this, but right now we have spaces for 8 people, and I'll be giving you a piece of paper like this, and we'll be using some of these markers. Like, I'm gonna bring my own set of markers for us to devastate, because I don't use the markers as much, but they are fun. I tend to use watercolor and gouache and a little bit of acrylic, and sometimes I have these acrylic things that I love. If you ever get a chance to get the Poscas, they're really good. Anyway, it's like being able to draw with acrylics, and yeah, I know that's what you're supposed to do with a brush, but some of us like the fine lines, you know, and want to be consistent in the fine line. So yeah, anyway, my point is, come be creative with us. Come take the concept of the Fool, and later on, there's a whole series of them, but try out the first one. See what you think. Take the concept of the Fool and make him your own. What is the Fool to you? You know, we will go through in this class, we will look at every design I can find of the Fool throughout time. I'll put them up on the slides, and we will look at them and find out, what are the elements? What are the elements that commonly come on this card? We will look at how these elements come together to give meaning to the card. And then we're going to take what we can change, what is malleable, and we'll make it about us. Like, we will make our own Fool card for us. Because for me, why we even call it the Fool card, and it's the first card of the major arcana. It's the beginning of the journey. It's a new path. Whenever this card pops up, it's like, I want change. I want a new life. I want new beginnings. So everyone's happy to see the Fool card. It does not mean you are foolish. So when we get the Fool card, we want to start this new life. And that's perfect for a vision board. You can do that. You can make a vision board out of the Fool card very easily. You can. I mean, I can't make one for you, but I can be there guiding you. So here's what you need to do. I will bring some art supplies. You bring the art supplies that make you happy. Go bring the stuff that you normally use and you love to use. If you are highly pencil oriented, bring the pencils. If you are a collage artist, bring cutouts from magazines that you have collected over the years, because you have, right? Bring all the stuff that you want to use and put on your poster, your giant size. Look how big that is. I just love this. Something that you can hang up in your house, either as a poster or put a frame around and put it in your house too. I already did like a version of the Fool on here, but I'm not sure if I like it. But that is okay. We are here to design. You may not get a finished product done we have 3 hours. You may not get a whole finished product done in 3 hours, and that's okay. What you may decide you're doing, because I will bring some sketch paper too, is maybe you are just sketching and figuring out the color palette the direction that the fool is going in, what you want to do with it. Like, do you want to make it this way or that way? And I suggest, if you want to bring your laptops. You might Google images that are helpful for you, and maybe we can print some of those out at the shop. So this is at the Sacred Owl, by the way. This is at the Sacred Owl and Salt Room in Knoxville, in West Knoxville. The address is somewhere in this video below. Please sign up for this ahead of time. We can only do 8 people in that room, so especially with spreading out and have our stuff, you know, as we're making stuff. If the class somehow gets larger than 8, or if we get more enthusiasm about this class, I will offer multiple classes, okay? So I will offer another day or another time period that we're doing this. This is 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for this class. Sign up through the links at the bottom, and I will see you there. Okay, thanks so much for listening. So take care. I'm Jerome Stewart. You have a great day. Thanks. Bye.